Are you tired of dealing with companies and products that disappoint you? You need a trustworthy company that you can depend on 100% of the time. Portable Restroom Trailers has assisted thousands of companies with 5-star verified support. We help you maximize your investment and ensure your trailer will last. Voted #1 in the portable restroom shower trailers industry, if you're looking for a portable shower solution, look no further than our Hercules Explorer Series. This 20-foot portable shower trailer is completely self-contained with 3 climate control suites that include an attractive single shower and sink. You'll also find a laundry suite with a stackable washer and dryer in addition to the shower suites. Join the ranks of hundreds of municipalities and corporations from coast to coast and work with a company that puts your needs first. You deserve to have all the information and resources you need before you make a decision. We provide video tutorials, manuals, a buyback policy, special financing, and one-on-one support. And we offer multiple choices at different price points to buy and rent, so we can guide you to the best solution. Getting started is easy. First, request a quote. Then we'll have a meaningful conversation and find the right trailer for your needs. Click the button below to request a quote or call us today. Top quality, transparent pricing, trusted support. Portable Restroom Trailers.